welcome to TVSL C3 Bad Diet Mistakes to Avoid at All Cost. Even though there is so much information available about weight loss, the same diet mistakes are being made over and over every day. We are not talking here about little slip ups where you ate a slice of pie that was not on the plan, but big mistakes that lead to failure to lose the weight that you want to lose. Understanding these errors can help you develop the attitude that will lead to permanent weight loss for you. The all-or-nothing attitude. All-or-nothing dieters will often pick out the complicated diet that is almost impossible for them to maintain. Before beginning, they will search the kitchen for anything that does not fit the plan and throw it in the garbage. They are planning to be the perfect eater, and so they will be, for 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, or even a couple of weeks. Then, inevitably, something happens that means they cannot keep to the diet one time. Immediately the whole thing is ruined in their eyes and the diet is over. They go to the store and buy all the things that went into the garbage last week and proceed to gain back all the weight that they lost, as fast as possible. If you are this kind of dieter, you need to ask yourself some tough questions. Do you really want to lose weight permanently, or just lose a few pounds so that you can enjoy putting them back on again? The way forward is to make small changes to what you eat so that you have a slow but steady weight loss. The attitude of sacrifice. Another common mistake is to view your diet as a period of sacrifice. You do not allow yourself the foods that you enjoy most while you are on your way to your target weight. You may have a great diet plan and be very successful in losing weight. But what happens when you reach your goal? You have not learned to eat bad foods in moderation, so as soon as you start, you are likely to go out of control. It is better to include a little of everything in your diet and learn to enjoy it in small quantities. Yes, even chocolate. Goal failure. Setting achievable goals is vital in any weight loss plan. Goals should be clear, realistic, and set out in writing. While you probably do have an ideal weight in your mind, unless you are only very slightly overweight, it is probably too distant to be useful. A more useful goal would be to lose 2 pounds per week for the first 5 weeks and then 1 pound per week after that. Some weeks you will lose more and some less. Some weeks you may even gain. But if you track your progress on a graph, you will see that ups and downs are natural and do not stop you progressing steadily toward your major goal. If you have been making these mistakes, do not worry. The most important point in dieting, as in so many other things, is to move on. Learn from your failures as well as your success, and do not use a mistake as an excuse for giving up. The only way to achieve your goal permanently is to make a commitment to become a healthier person. Remember that eating normally includes eating more some days and less others. Learn to enjoy food in moderation and you have every chance of avoiding these bad diet mistakes.